Hey everybody, it's Neil and I like to cook things and my goal is lasagnas are what I'm gonna make is little mini ones that I can take with me. And so I got these little pans. Let's check these out. I'll show you guys what we're talking about here. There's like little mini loaf pans so you can make little mini breads or whatever like that. But for me, it's like single size lasagnas. So look at this, it's just a cute little tin pan here so I can put my noodles. It looks like it's the right width and everything. This is gonna be perfect. So we get a whole bunch of those. And then we also get our a bunch of stickers here, which are, say, give you my best wishes. So once you put the item in there, we can do, so if I was giving it away, these are gonna be for my own use. But you get the idea here, so let's see what we got here. So I took out two. So we have the lids and we have the tin. Here's the tin here. So we have the tin and the lid, and it'll fit on like so. Snaps on, you can totally hold it there so it'll be nice and secure. And then where the stickers go, and then you can put a sticker. Let me grab one here, I'll show you guys what it is. We'll go and set one of these up. Okay, so you got the big long sticker, and you can put the sticker on the food and wrap it around like so, and then it is secure and people know that it is secure. So my goal is I'm gonna make up like 5 or 6 of these here, so it'll be like a whole week's worth or maybe even longer, and start sticking them in the freezer, and then I'll be good to go. So these are sweet. I like it. Totally cool. Thumbs up.